How did this stunning Korean beauty turn into this? Singer Han Hae-jin was once a rising star and gorgeous model, but can no longer bear to look at her destroyed and scarred face. The damage was caused by a simple household item, cooking oil, that she injected into her skin. Han, who wanted to look softer and more beautiful, began getting black market injections of silicone. She became addicted to the treatments, and after injecting an entire bottle of silicone into her face, she started injecting what she thought was the next best thing, cooking oil, which disfigured her beyond repair. Though she has had 10 operations to remove more than a half a pound of silicone and oil from under her skin, she still remains scarred beyond recognition. Now back in Korea, Han receives government aid, but regrets her decision to inject the cooking oil more than anything. Says Han, "I just wish I had my face back."